As part of Automat online vehicle marketplace, we specialize in dealership of vehicles and sometimes there's restoration and resale of vehicles. So today we're going to be working on this Land Rover breakdown, and it's a 1980s model, and we look forward to be able to restore the working condition, mainly the starter, and check on the engine, the gear, and the transmission in general to make sure it's good for use and for resale. So to learn more about this, you can simply visit www.automat.co.ke.